Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So as the title suggests, I'm going to be applying some boost duty. So because this turbo is quite a big turbo, it's got a lot of slow spool time. So I'm going to put 100% duty for the first couple of thousand, and then I'm going to taper it off. And then slowly as it starts to build, I'm going to reduce the duty to about 70-ish or something like that. And then obviously I'm going to drive it and see what it feels like. So currently at this time, it was running on the actuator. And the actuator was allowing about 6 psi at the time. Yeah, so that was the second piece that I'd seen on that night. So I thought I'd call it quits while I was ahead and called it a night. It actually only made 10 psi, which was kind of disappointing because I expected it to put at least another 1.5 times on the boost controller. So I thought 6 might take me to 16, 17. But it only took me to 10. So I will be fitting a stronger spring into the actuator, and then obviously do it again. So today, I fitted a heavier spring, and it's currently at 12 psi on actuator alone, with 0 boost duty. So the next video, I'm going to be turning the boost up. I'm going to try around 15-20 psi and see how the car feels. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.